We have Kevin Nicolino here. Kevin is from Portage County, Ohio. And Kevin just completed the Details R Certified Detailer private 3-day training class. So, Kevin, you did an amazing job.
Thank you.
Oh, absolutely. So, you've been here since Friday. Friday was the business and marketing class. What did you think of that day? And do you think it will help you with the business side of getting your business going?
I really enjoyed it. Learning about marketing, branding your company, how to reach out to customers, how to keep them happy, and so on.
Excellent. What about yesterday, Saturday? That's the hands-on day where we did the contact wash, paint correction, paint polishing, and ceramic coating on this Tacoma, which you and the other student, which we'll be talking about in a few minutes, did an amazing job, along with our great trainers, Chris and Chase.
Really enjoyed it. Shout out to Chris and Chase. Them guys are great instructors. I really enjoyed the paint correction. Learned a lot about the process, buffing. I really enjoyed it. I learned a lot.
The ceramic coatings. More
Yeah.
confident now about.
Yeah, I feel very confident that I could go home tomorrow and start my business.
What about today? The interior.
The interior wasn't as fun, a little tighter.
Never is.
But I really enjoyed it. It's the first time I ever used an extractor. I was very impressed with an extractor, steamer. Just the details. Chase and Chris really taught us, the small details mean a lot.
Sure, definitely.
So, I learned a lot this week.
Excellent. You did a fantastic job. Kevin, you are now Details R and Jade Ceramic Coating Services, or certified. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.